Bonsoir à tous et à toutes. Juste, si vous voulez applaudir. On dit de lui que il est le roi du design, le serial designer. Bon, je ne sais pas si ça veut dire quelque chose, puisqu'aujourd'hui, l'idée, c'est pas d'être bon de son côté, c'est d'être bon tous ensemble avec les architectes, les décorateurs d'intérieur, les clients. En tout cas, il dit que le design, c'est un acte social et politique, et que ce qui compte au final, c'est de contribuer à l'amélioration de notre monde, et ce, d'un point de vue esthétique.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir tout le monde. Je suis très contente d'être ici. Je parle français very bad. And this city makes now my 502nd lecture in the world. So I've hit over the 500 mark. And just for your demographic, I'm also over 50. And for your other demographic, I think I have a lot of chromosomes that are female. A lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of developers think that design is decorating, or it's not a serious act. Design, real design is not decoration. Design is about making life better. It means it's got to function seamlessly, perfectly, right? Everything should function very well. And if it doesn't make a better life for you and function well, honestly, we need to stop it. Stop the production of it, end it all, minimize the amount of goods we produce. And as Dieter Rams said 30 years ago, less but better. No question. You're a designer. If you make something that's 100 million pieces like a mobile phone, you have a responsibility because you are affecting 100 million people's lives. You have responsibility from the ecological point of view of that phone. You have a responsibility from the function, from the use, from the feeling, the enjoyment, the pleasure, the experience. So designers have to be somewhat selfless as well. They'd say that humanity needs to feel alive. We need to feel alive. My search, in a way, is that. Because the other side of me, I sometimes don't feel alive. I have depression, like everybody, not like everybody. I've always had a very heavy depression. I have issues, many issues. So I retaliate or I fight them by trying to make others feel good on this earth, to feel alive. Yeah, I have love of color. Yes. In nature alone, there's over 1 million colors, naturally. So strangely enough, how do we depict colors of nature? Green and brown, right? Strange, this. Most cities, most places, most spaces, most hotels, most living rooms, most are in the beige, the browns, the greens. Why? Because we see the trees and the mountains? Maybe blues because we see the ocean. But you can look at insects, birds, peacocks. The colors are phenomenal around the world. It's just so beautiful, color. Color's a beautiful phenomena. You take a banal room and you just paint one wall in a certain color, and your mental psyche and your mood will change like that. Creation. To create is to be. Every one of us, 99% of the human minds around the planet are capable of original creation. And to find meaning in this life, we need to find a way to create. For the same amount of energy, same amount of time, same amount of costs, you can build something beautiful or something awful. Really. And I I call that, you know what I call this? Lost opportunity. And it is. It's a lost opportunity. And I see this lost opportunity all over the world.
Merci Karim. On a toujours envie de découvrir quelque chose, de rencontrer quelque chose qu'on n'a jamais vu. Personnellement, mon objectif est rempli.
Privée, très intéressant. Il a le mérite de secouer un peu la sphère du design et de l'architecture locale en tout cas.
On n'est pas habitué à ce genre de réflexion et ça nous bouscule. Et je pense que c'était aussi l'idée de la soirée.
Écoutez, moi j'ai été vraiment surprise et hyper contente qu'on soit déstabilisé comme ça au niveau de la pensée et de l'idée qu'on peut avoir du design.
Et vivement le prochain qui sera apparemment féminin.